I am a 9-year-old female, and when I was younger, I was about 3 years old, or 4, I don't know, but anyway, I background hit, and I almost got hit by a car. Background info. I was a bit of an uneasy child to control. So and anyway, so I just fought myself, and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna cycle, and I almost got hit by a car. Background. I was cycling behind my mother one day when I was 3 or 4 years old, and it was bad. I almost got hit by a car, but anyway, anyway, I was cycling behind my mother because it was a summer day. It was a summer night, or morning at least, and I just said to myself, or I don't know, but anyway, I thought to myself, what would happen if I cycled like forward of my mother? So I just cycled over the road, and a car came right at me, and the scared child when I was younger, I became so scared that I almost pissed my pants. But anyway, I was so scared. I thought I would die, and I have escaped 2-3 times. But anyway, so I was. Guess what happened in the last second? The car didn't stop. It started to slow down, but anyway, my mom, like the hero she is, she saved me. So I'm alive thanks to her, but if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be dead right now. So anyway, the car was red, if I remember, and I don't remember more, but anyways, I remember some things that I'm gonna say. I remember like me being super scared and almost pissing my pants. I was crying, and my mom, as the hero she was, tried to make me happy, but there was nothing that she could do to make me happy, because I have been through enough trauma today. But god damn, the world thought I could have not gotten more trauma after that. And I will tell on the next time we talk. I will talk about the second time I almost died. See ya. Hope I see you soon. And enjoy me painting this. Goodbye.